told you that looks a little bluish,
Yeah, well,
greenish,
darker blue.
type-ish thingy, bribber.
You just gotta watch out for the greenish.
Earlier I thought it was going that way, but it got closer than farther.
Well, no, it got bigger, and the tail end is way over there.
Well, it's coming our way a bit.
Yeah, it is. I can see it.
What you saw on the radar is just catching up to us now.
This looks spooky.
Damn, she's got a nice tail. Hey. Oh, that's way over there.
Shut up.
There's a
Yep. Dad,
It's moving quick.
the storm is coming to Hanover, and she's running.
Moving quick. Oh, she doesn't want to get wet.
I'm getting anxious. It looks like one heck of a storm.
Well, it is.
I haven't seen a storm like this in a while. Long time, actually.
There it is.
Why does that look green to me? I can post this video on YouTube. The other videos that I posted are just normal storms. This is like a big storm. It's coming, Dad. Look how fast it's moving. Those clouds.
Yeah.
I'm not liking that.
We got 2 warnings out right now for us.
Let me see.
Severe thunderstorm warning, severe thunderstorm watch.
That's a warning, Dad.
Hanover. One's a watch, the other's a warning. You hear me?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Yo! Mind your loud vehicle. I'm staying over here now because the lightning's coming.
Yeah, that's getting very close, Jordan.
This is crazy.
Randall might need one.
I haven't seen a storm like this in a while. Long time, actually.
Follow the wind.
I'm gonna bring these with.
I was right. It was coming our way.
I'm coming up here with these, okay? You hear me?
Yeah, I don't want to go near the tree, though.
We're gonna get fucking bits on here.
Jesus!
Hang on, your hat's over there. Here she comes.
Holy! Ah!
Hey, an eagle.
That's in my eyes.
There's everything.
Walter, this is gonna be one hell of a storm.